How to enable ChatGPT in Excel or Microsoft Excel. So first you want to open up your browser and open Microsoft Excel, whether the web version or the desktop version. Now once you're in a workspace like this, you can click on Home. Now you want to look for add-ins, which is usually this logo right here with the squares. Now if you can't find it, you can simply click on the search, type add-ins like this, and just click on it. Now you should look for GPT right here, and then click on the first one by OpenAI, and then click on Add. And this should install and add ChatGPT directly to your Excel workspace. Now you will need to sign in to your ChatGPT account, whether you can sign in with the account on the web browser or use an API key if you'd like. And then once you link your account and sign into your ChatGPT account, this should allow you to use ChatGPT with Excel. So for example, you can ask it things like analyze this spreadsheet and identify the biggest changes, or potentially update the formatting but don't change the values, or just find and explain broken formulas, and whatever you want to do. And you can also install the add-in or the add-on from the Microsoft Marketplace if you can't find it for some reason. You can go to Microsoft Marketplace and search for ChatGPT by OpenAI. Make sure to click on Get It Now, which is free but might require additional ChatGPT subscription or your Plus account or whatever. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.